Hey guys, so I wanted to make a simple video today sharing a story of something that actually happened to our Model X. Guys, I was just dropping my son off and I almost got terrible curb rash. And there was like a crunching sound when I pulled in, so I thought for sure I did some serious damage. This product, not sponsored, but this product is amazing. So I've always prided myself on being a fairly decent driver. We've driven over 100,000 miles now with EVs and I have never had curb rash, knock on wood, yet. But I was in an area that I parked a ton of times and of course it happened. I scraped the side of the wheel and I was saved by our wheel bands. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit more about the wheel bands, explain what they are and how to apply them, because I think it's a great product and I know curb rash is really common. A lot of people have it. I see it on these beautiful cars all the time and I think that this can actually save them. All right, so after I got home, I cleaned off the wheels and right here was white, but you can see it's actually just the adhesive tape. So I can just kind of peel that off with my nail and you can see how well the wheel bands actually protected our wheels. Now there is a tiny scratch right here, but you can either buffer that out or what I'm gonna do is apply new wheel bands and it will actually just cover it. So overall, there was a loud crunch and I think if I did not have wheel bands on our wheels, there would be major curb rash. So definitely gonna reapply new ones. If you don't know what wheel bands are, they are basically 5-mile-per-hour bumpers for your wheels. So let's go ahead and open this box up. All right. So we have ordered the black inserts. They come in a variety of colors, but we like the look of the black where it just kind of blends right in with the wheel. The first thing you're gonna do is open up the envelope and inside of it is some alcohol wipes and you're gonna wanna make sure that your wheel is very clean so that the adhesive sticks really well. You know, it's hard to imagine that I crunched the curb as hard as I did because there was definitely a crunching sound and the Sonic Carbon wheels still look brand new. So I think it is mostly clean. Obviously there's still some dirt in here, but it doesn't matter. You can see it has a 3M adhesive tape on the back of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start right there and try to just line it up. So this is like ASMR for Tesla owners. Again, using my finger as a guide. So you can also apply these to a Model 3 and even with the Aero wheels. So we have them on both of our cars actually. And look at, it's just gonna cover up that little tiny bit of damage. So did not even need to buff it out. So right now, again, I'm just trying to focus on lining everything up. And then I'm gonna go over it and make sure it's really stuck on well. You're almost done here. So I would say it takes about 5 minutes or so per wheel, but it goes pretty fast. The cleaning is probably what takes the longest. And I'm gonna mark it first before I actually cut. There we go. And trying to kind of line it up the best I can. So here is the insert, and this is really what's gonna be protecting the wheel, because if you were to rub up against a curb, this would hit it first and protect your car. So what was interesting was after I hit the curb, it sort of like peeled all off while I was driving. The whole thing sort of fell off and then I was driving around trying to find it so that I didn't litter. But again, this kind of sticks right in there. So you can go ahead and line it up a little bit and this again, if you want to use the tool, you can use the tool. You can see it has thing to get it in there. So the material itself, you can feel it. It's very thick, high quality material. You know, you think you're a good driver and then you go to park and you're distracted or just whatever. It's so easy to get curb rash, and why not just protect your wheels? Line it up. So at a distance, you really don't even notice this little seam. I'm just gonna go over it, make sure everything's really pressed in there, but really that's it, and you buy yourself peace of mind, and you won't be as nervous letting your wife drive your car now. For some reason, people always blame the wife though, and I feel like men are just as bad at getting curb rash. It's not really a sex thing. All right, well, my hands are dirty. I need to go wash them, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helps you guys out and you're confident to go ahead and go install these on your car. Check out the description. We'll go ahead and we'll put what we ordered and use on our car in there. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and you smash that like button.